Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to make roti. So first, put this like that over there. Press it tightly, okay? So you can do it like this.
Done.
And look, ta oh, it's still the just do it like that and do it like this. Press it nice and tightly, but not that tightly, light and tightly. Press it lightly. Kind of making it look stuck. Look, see? Just like that. Oh. If it opens, you can also press it. Now it's almost done. Guys, be careful when you make it at home. Just be careful. Just hold it over here. Look. See? If you do it like this, or you'll get hurt. See? It will get stuck on your hand, then you'll never get your hand out. So you have to like hold it here and then push it back like that. Okay. Then you need to flip it over. Okay. Like that. Just like this. And see? Easy. Just press it lightly. Okay.
So is it done?
No, just a little more bit.
Let's take a look. Wow. It's so circle shape.
Yeah.
Perfect shape. Wow. It looks
Perfect.
delicious. Okay, can you show us how to do it from the beginning?
Yes.
First?
Take a roti and then put it right over here.
Okay.
Press it lightly, like that, and then
Put the lid gently, right?
yes, and then press it.
Wow.
Press it. Guys, keep pressing it nice and carefully, just like me, okay? My hair is getting in my face, my hair. And you'll see in a bit. From here, do it from here, okay?
So it's a mechanical wooden device.
Yes, and made with, see? It made,
It's
they
made
made it.
with wood.
Oh yeah, that was what I was gonna say. I just forgot.
Wow. So now the size is very little.
Look guys, see if you press it, see it's getting bigger.
Okay, so we need to flip it over now.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay? If you hear the sound, so it means it's stuck a little bit, right? Kind of looks like it's broken, see?
Yeah, but it's actually not broken.
Yes, it kind of looks like it's broken, but it's not. Kind of looks like it's broken, right? When it comes a little bit too much closer, so you can also put it out so it won't, so you won't
See,
get
we've got to
hurt.
be very careful because if it falls down on our feet, we will get hurt, right?
Yes. So, guys, just keep doing it from here. Press it from here and from here sometimes and from here. There, done. And you'll see. Ta-da!
Oh wow. It's getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah. Remember when I show you when you press it like, and then it gets bigger and nice and circly, right?
Yes.
This is how they made it with wood. And look, it's a sticker. A little bit more. And done. Guys, if you had this in your home, write this in the comments, okay? I mean, tell us in the comments. It's kind of hard for me, right?
Tell your viewers to subscribe.
Guys, make sure you subscribed, okay? So, oh yeah, thumbs up too. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe, okay?
Is it done?
Just a little bit more. So, we have one more left. Look.
Okay.
Guys, look at there.
Okay. This
So-
one last bit.
Yeah, just a bit more. One more time. Guys, isn't it fun? They are actually really real. So we live in Bangladesh, right?
Yes. So making roti has become a lot easier now.
Yes, this is really easier for us than that one. Like doing this one is kind of hard for us, right?
Yes.
Keep it low, keep
Kind of
it
hard.
softly spoken. With no
So is it
strings
done
tied
finally?
to me.
Let's take a look.
Happy in your company.
Wow, it's
No emotion, 'cause
perfectly
my love deserves to be free.
alright. Proper
I never wanna
circle,
look
delicious
at a house in the
roti.
garden. I
So, okay,
never
that's it
wanna
for
lock
today.
you down.
So wait,
I know
I'll
you're
just do
not
this one and
mine,
then
it's just my
I'll say
turn.
bye,
We can
okay?
still have fun for now.
one more. Oh, that's it.
You told me you don't really do
It's kind of
trust
hard
me.
for
See
me.
your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too serious.
Yeah, it requires a bit
Must
of
admit I
strength.
was relieved.
Yes.
Cause I never wanna play happy family.
My hair.
But I like having you around.
Can you see my hair is
Fully
moving?
aware this is a flash in the
It's kind of
pan.
funny, right?
Still have fun for now.
Wait. Okay, little bit over there. Whoa, we're not actually done yet, see?
So that's how we make roti with the
Yes.
roti maker.
When you're
So,
moving in
I'm
another
going to
direction.
keep doing it.
Don't
And
worry,
then
I'll
when it's
get
done,
it.
I'm going to say you bye.
I meant what I said when I said it, ladies.
Okay,
Never
that's
wanna
No, no,
look
no.
at
Oh,
a
wait,
house in the
wait.
garden. I
Just a
never
bit.
wanna
Give
lock
me a
you
minute.
down.
Give me a minute.
I know you're not mine, it's just my turn. But we can still
Okay.
have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with
Just
you.
press
But
it from here
like having
sometimes
you
and
around.
like this.
Fully aware this is a
Like
flash in
this
the pan.
sometimes, and you will just have to press it like this a lot of
Yeah,
times.
we can still
Okay.
have fun for now.
And
Oh, we can still have
Wow,
fun
let's
for
get
now.
it's not done yet, see?
Yeah,
So,
it's almost done.
yeah, I just flipped it over already, right?
Okay. So that's how we make roti. And
Yes.
make sure you guys subscribe and thumbs up.
Yes. My hair is making me laugh. Move.